everybody, how's it going? Chris here with another video. Today we have more mail and we're gonna open them up, so let's find out what's in the package. So, 1 second. Hello? What? Oh, are you sure? Alright. It looks like you guys want me to say,
who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
There, are you happy? Alright, let's find out what is in the box. First package. Alright, it looks like we have a bunch of free coupons for Free to Be. Free to Be. You get one free snack. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. Eat fearlessly, live brilliantly. Alright, they have chocolate chips. So this is new to me. I've seen a lot of their products, but these are new. Chocolate chips, free of peanut, tree nut, dairy, gluten, soy, egg, corn, coconut, sesame, mustard, fish, and shellfish. None of that bad stuff, because if it was, I mean, some of that stuff you eat, you're gonna be a zombie. Snack Breaks Peppermint Dark Chocolate. So this is like a dark chocolate bark with like little peppermint in it. The Sun Cups, the dark chocolate Sun Cups. I have seen these before. And we also have the dark chocolate mint cups. Chocolate blueberry crunch. So this is like a blueberry chocolate bark. Have not tried that one yet. The mini, like kind of like the peanut butter cups, but these are rice chocolate Sun Cups. So it's got sun butter in them. And that's from sunflower seed butter. And then we have the dark chocolate mini cups. And last but not least, we have cranberry pumpkin seed chocolate bark. So these are all that is in store for Free to Be. So definitely check them out if you see them in a store. If you're allergic to peanuts or anything like that and you really miss or want to try peanut butter cups or something like that, you have it right here. You have the minis, the chocolate bark, the mint cups, which I'm looking forward to trying these because these are the ones I have not tried yet. So thank you, Free to Be, for sending me the package of goodies. I will enjoy the snacking. On to package number 2. This one is coming from Canada. So let's find out what it came across the borders. Looks colorful in here. We have Herbaland, thank you. Yummy gummies, let's see. Their little tote, Herbaland. Healthy nutritional gummies. These are what I think they are. You got little Herbaland pins. A little bear. So these are like little mini packs of protein gummies. So this is like a little box of the protein gummies. We have different flavors too. We have banana, kiwi, papaya, wild berry, and fantastic fruit. So that's pretty interesting. Now, I have been looking for the, I'll see like something like a B12 gummy that's vegan, but this company has all of the vitamins that you need. I'm really excited about trying these. So this is an energy gummy. This is for hair, skin, and nails, so this is probably like a biotin. It's got the French version on one side and it's got the English version on the other side. So we have vegan D3 and B12. So this one right here is the one that all the vegans usually try to find, and you can't find one that's vegan or not. So I'm definitely going to link these underneath because I'm going to start trying these. I'm excited. This is the D3, so a lot of people are deficient in vitamin D. And for me, it's just because of the area of the United States that I live in. We don't get a lot of sun. And when I went to the doctor, my vitamin D was a little bit low. So I'm going to try these. And then vitamin B12. My B12 was right where it should be. But B12 is another one that everyone should be taking, whether you're vegan or not. B12 doesn't come from plants or animals. It comes from the microbes in the ground. So this is great. You got your B12, your vitamin D. Excited about that one. This one is eye care, so if you, I don't know, try this one out, see if your eyesight gets any better, if your eyes feel any better. So this one, BCAA, this is a workout supplement, and this is a fruit, veg, and fiber. Helps maintain healthy digestive system, and I am going to try these out, so I'll let you know in the future how they are and what I think of them. Thank you, Herbaland. We're going to move on to the next package. This is from the Vegetarian Express. Okay, it looks like we have a bunch of herbs and spices. All right, so we have, I don't know, maybe about, what, 10 of these? 11. So we have 11 spices. We have veggie chick seasoning, beef-like seasoning, a Greek Isle seasoning, a Parmesan sprinkles, creative, a pepper-like seasoning, and we have a roasted garlic red bell pepper zip, a rich brown gravy mix, saucy ranch seasoning, lemony dill zest, an all-purpose veggie seasoning, golden broth seasoning, and a creamy white gravy mix. So I'm excited to try these out. I want to see this, the Parmesan. I'm going to open it up. It smells good. I'm excited to try this on some of my recipes, so I'll let you guys know how that goes in the future. Again, that's Vegetarian Express, which is a vegan line of seasoning. So thank you for the seasonings. We will move on to the next package. We have a t-shirt, Vegan Action, certified vegan, vegan.org. I love it. I love it. It's a cool shirt. Thank you guys. Next package is from 22 Days. Got some of their stuff up there. Let's see what we have in here. 22-day nutrition. This, by the way, is my favorite protein powder, and it's so clean. It has, this is what it has in it. It has organic pea protein, organic flaxseed, organic vanilla flavor, organic sacha inchi, and organic stevia, and that's it. It's very simple. And for those of you that don't like stevia, I can't even really taste it in this. They have 3 different flavors. They have a strawberry, a chocolate, and the vanilla. The vanilla and the strawberry are probably my favorite, even though I am a chocolate guy. I like these a lot. So thank you for that. And then we also have their protein bars, which also, I love these as well. We have 4 different flavors here. The fudge brownie, the salted caramel, peanut butter chocolate chip, and the chunky peanut butter. And they're all good. So I know that you can get these at Target and Wegmans if you're on the East Coast. For those of you, the upper East Coast where there's a Wegmans. And these are in some Wegmans and some Targets. I've gone to Targets where they don't have those, and then Targets where they did. So, but either way, they're my favorite. So thank you, 22-Day Nutrition. All right, guys, I think we are on to our very last package. Special delivery from Justin's. To the victor goes the Justin's. Warning, extremely delicious contents inside. Oh, what is going on here? Justin's squeeze pack toss. This is a cashew maple butter, and this is a cinnamon almond butter. So they've really branched out and made new products. And look at that. Look at that. Cashew maple butter. We have little packets of the cashew maple butter. Boom. We have the cinnamon almond butter. Jar of that. We have the classic cashew butter. Okay, and then we have little packets of the cinnamon almond butter. So I'm excited to try those. What else is in here? Okay, we won't, this one is not vegan. It has honey in it, so we're not going to even talk about that one. All right, thank you to Justin's. I also want to give a shout out to Annie brand. These are the shoes that I wear. We have high tops, we have slip-ons and low tops. I've been looking for vegan shoes for a long time and finally found an all vegan company that I like. These are very light, they fit good to your foot. I like the way they look, I like wearing black. And also, if you use my code ZombieKicks, $5 will be donated to Mercy for Animals, which is a good cause. You get a good pair of shoes. So definitely check out Annie brand, as nature intended. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you to everybody that sent me a package, and I will list all the products below along with the address to the safe house. If you have something that you want to send me, make sure it's vegan and I will feature it on the show. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so you don't miss notifications and miss one of our videos. Survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.